Lokayukta is illegal, unreasonable, and in violation of principles of natural justice and against the issue raised in the complaint. Complaint जी कंप्लेनेंट केली मिसिस रोज आर पी डिसूजा ही वेगळीच आहा आणि फाइंडिंग्स ऑफ लोकायुक्त इज समथिंग एल्स. I was PDA chairman then. Today I am minister, and his finding is totally off the record. म्हणजे थिंगासोर हांव PDA chairman आणि हांव मिनिस्टर अनफिट म्हणटा तो. तेका आयज अजून खबर ना की honorable judge and the chairman of NGT has praised our department where I am a minister today. And he is setting an example all over India that follow the role model of Goa Solid Waste Management Corporation. And this is the first state in India where they have created Ministry for Waste Management. Honorable Judge and the Chairman of NGT has come to our garbage treatment plant just few days before the lockdown and has seen how our plant is functioning. And this ex-honorable Lokayukta is saying that I am unfit to be minister. I want to bring this to the notice. I thought, nah, Lokayukta is not sitting as a Lokayukta today, he is retired. He is not given attention. Maybe he is upset and angry on the government because of that. I want to show him this today through the media that the High Court had set aside that means High Court had not admitted the petition filed by this complainant's brother-in-law. म्हणजे ही एक फॅमिली जी आहा एकटो कंप्लेन करता कोर्टान एंटनी आर डिसूजा म्हणून वसी स्टेट ऑफ गोवा थ्रू चीफ सेक्रेटरी एंड अदर्स आणि हायकोर्ट ताका डायरेक्ट ऑर्डर दिताय पळय हे ऑर्डरीचेर सारके बरयल्ले आहा. In view of the disputed nature of the cautions involved, keeping all the contentions of the petitioner open and with the liberty to avail alternative remedy available, petition stands disposed. हायकोर्टान त्याची केस डिस्पोज करता आणि त्याच्या उपरांत तो लोकायुक्ताकडे वयता. आता ही जी रोड आम्ही कलंगुटान केल्या, आरपोरान केल्या, कांदोली केल्या, सालिगांवच्या केल्या पार्रा टू सालिगांव PWDच्या जाग्यार तो शोल्डर आसलो 2 मीटर PWDचो शोल्डर आसलो 3 मीटर आसलो लँड एक्वायर केल्ली इन द इयर 1985, 1990, 1995 वेरियस लँड एक्विजिशन ऑर्डर फ्रॉम म्हापसा टू कलंगूट आणि विथ द हेल्प ऑफ द कोमनीदाद ऑफ वेल्ला काणका पिटिशन घातलें हायकोर्टान. काणका सर्कलाचें पिटिशन हायकोर्टान घातलें. कोमनीदादीची NOC आहा तो सर्कल डेंजरस टू ह्युमन लायफ म्हणून फुडें अनेक सर्कल काणका बांद सर्कल आतां वायडनींग जावपाचें आहा थिंगासर आनी कोण तरी आमकां हायकोर्टान व्हरतलो हो लोकायुक्ता कडेन व्हरतलो. पूण थिंगा आमचे कडेन NOC फ्रॉम द ओनर दॅट कोमनीदाद ऑफ वेल्ला काणका दे आर द ओनर्स ऑफ द लँड दे हॅव गिवन. बोलतात कोण तरी येता आनी हायकोर्टान वयता. सेम वे रोजी आर.पी. डिसूजा म्हणटा पळय ती खुबशा न्यूज पेपरांनी हाडले आहा तो मॅटर आयज लोकायुक्ताचो की वी हॅव वायोलेटेड अँड वायडन द रोड आनी कितें 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 म्हणजे एलिगेशनां भरपूर आहा. पूण हे कोणा खातीर केले? खंयच्या बिल्डरा खातीर केले? कलंगुटान ऑलरेडी बिल्डर बांदून गेल्ले. हांव MLA जाला आनी जे रोड 3 मीटर आसले ते आमी 6 मीटर केले कित्याक देर वॉज प्रोविजन टू मेक. ते सगळे कोणे 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 बांदला हॉटेलांनी बांदला तेंच्यांनी जे जागे ओपन दवरलेले दुर्गा तेणी इलिगल बांदलेली रोडार आमी NGPDसून काडले आनी बांदल्या इन द लँड वीच वॉज एक्वायर्ड बाय द गव्हर्मेंट. अँड दॅट लँड वीच दे आर एलेजिंग दॅट I have done road for the builder is not for the builder, this is for the general public. They have made false allegations वेग कंप्लेंट्स हायकोर्टान तांकां डिस्पोज केल्लो मॅटर. सो दे वेंट टू लोकायुक्ता and लोकायुक्ता passes some order based on their complaint. एक तो रिपोर्ट बरयता आनी सीएमाक दिता की तो रोड आहा पळय तो बरो रोड केलो बिल्डरांक लागून. सगळे आमचे आरपोरा गांवचे लोक थिंगा रावता. कितले एक्सिडंट जाले आनी कितले लोक मेले ते मिडिया सगळी जाणा, गांवचो लोक जाणा. 15 लोक मेले थिंगा. आता ते रोडाक जो तर कोण हायकोर्टान वयता आनी हायकोर्टान जो तर केस डिस्पोज करता ते लोक मागीर लोकायुक्तान वयता. लोकायुक्ता आमकां सांगता नॉट फिट टू बी मिनिस्टर, हॅज एब्यूज द पावर. GSIDC who has executed the work of 5 crores for those roads, they are saying they should have done. म्हणजे आमचे गोंयचे डेव्हलपमेंट केन्ना जातलें आनी कशें जातलें जो तर आमी इलेक्टेड representative are not going to give good roads to the general public. This Lokayukta doesn't know because he sits in the office and कोणाचे तरी कंप्लेन घेता आनी तो कितें ऑर्डरी पास करता आनी सांगता I am recommending this to the chief minister. Who is he to recommend about me whether I am fit or unfit? Who is he? I am asking again, who is this Lokayukta to tell whether I am fit or unfit to be the minister? Minister म्हणून माझे एकूय कंप्लेंट नाही ना. Where is the complaint? Show me. I want Lokayukta to show me where is the complaint. As I am a sitting minister, कोणे त्याच्याकडे कंप्लेंट केला की I have not done duties properly. We have put all my things in place. RDA असू, सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी असू, वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट असू. हे वेग कंप्लेन लोक करता, कोण तरी येता आनी कंप्लेन करता आमचे नाव पिड्यार करपाक आनी लोकायुक्ता ताका रिपोर्ट दिता जस्ट बिकॉज इज नॉट गिवन एक्सटेंशन. कित्याक तूं हिंगासर गोंयान अप टू द एज ऑफ 100 तुका एक्सटेंशन दिवपाचें आमी. दॅट इज चीफ मिनिस्टर्स प्रोगेटिव्ह to give extension or to appoint new Lokayukta, not ours. दिना म्हणून त्याच्या मिनिस्टराचेर तूं दीत रावतलो ऑर्डरी. when High Court has set it aside कितें आनी आमी उगी रावपाचे. लोकायुक्तान दिले म्हणून आमी उगीच रावप. I really don't know, but I respect the judiciary to the highest level, but this is not right what the ex-Lokayukta, honorable ex-Lokayukta has done. This is not fair. When the High Court is throwing the case out, disposing the matter, High Court said that if the road is made in your property, you are free to go to the respected court and get your claim. But the road is made where the road is standing. We have only improved the road. सर्वे प्लॅनार जितको रोड दाखयला आनी PWDन जितको एक्वायर केला तितलोच केला. कोणाचे प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टीन वचोंक ना, कोणाचे प्रायवेट बिल्डराक व्हरोन दिवंक ना रोड. इट इज मेड फॉर द विलेजर्स ऑफ आरपोरा, नागोवा. दीज पीपल आर ट्रायंग टू इनसाइड द विलेजर्स दॅट दीज रोड्स वर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड टू बी मेड बीग. हे रोड जे आमी बरे केल्या गेले 5 वर्सांक ते करपाचे न्हू म्हणटा ते. सर्कल डेव्हलपमेंट केला ते करपाचे न्हू म्हणटा ते. एक्सिडंट प्रोन झोन आहले थिंगा डिवायडर घातले ते करूंक उपकारना म्हणटा ते. लोकांनी मोरांनी म्हणटा. पूण आमी वी आर जस्ट ऑपोजीट. वी आर ट्रायंग टू हेल्प द पीपल. वी आर ट्रायंग टू सी दॅट द ट्रॅफिक गोज व्हेरी व्हेरी स्मूथली. आतां आमी म्हापसा वयता पळय थिंगा डिवायडर घालता. कोण तरी विचारता येवन थिंगा कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक ही ऑर्डर कोणाची आहा तुमकां डिवायडर घालूंक. वाय? फॉर अ सिंपल रिजन, बिकॉज ही वॉन्ट्स टू पार्क हिज 2 ट्रक्स ओवर देयर ऑन द रोड. आता कितले वचून आमी अंडर प्रेशर येवप. मागीर ते कोणाक तरी सांगता तूं वचून कंप्लेन करूंक ना PWD. ते डिवायडर घालता. तूं वचून कंप्लेन कर पुलिशीन. PWD डिवायडर घालप कोणे? आतां PWD डिवायडर घाली नाल्यार घालतलो कोण? आय रियली डोंट अंडरस्टँड. If Panchayat is not ready to take care of this, then who is going to take care? So this is what I am giving a clarification. I will give this High Court order also. You can go through this order. This order High Court on file केले तेजेच brother-in-law Anthony R. D'Souza आणि लोकायुक्तान वयता तेचीच भावाची बायल रोजी आर.पी. डिसूजा. सगळे रॅकेट, दे आर ऑल इन सर्कल्स. हे कोर्टान जायना जाल्यार त्या कोर्टान सिस्टर इन लॉ वयता, ह्या सिस्टर इन लॉचें काम जायना जाल्यार हजबंड त्या कोर्टान वयता. अशें हेंचें चालू आहा. आनी लोकायुक्ता फॉर वेरियस रिजन्स known to him has passed these orders, which I do not agree, and I am filing my report to the Honorable Chief Minister, where I am 100% confident he will set it aside. He will not accept the report.
रिपोर्ट चॅलेंज करतलो.
100%. I have already spoken to my lawyer that the order passed by the report made by the Honorable Lokayukta, where I was the chairman of NGPDA, खंय तरी क्लॅरिकल एरर जाता. हांव एग्जाम्पल दिता. एक लेटर जर तर तूं येता, एक न्यूज पेपराक टायम्स ऑफ इंडियाक एक लेटर येता आनी त्या लेटराक ते इनवर्ट करता, चुकान आनीक इनवर्ट जाता, सेम नंबराचो आनी कोणाक नेक्स्ट पेजीर 1-1, नेक्स्ट पेजीरूय 1-1 जाता. How it can be a fraud? The letter of the village panchayat of Harpara Nagwa came to NGPDA. It was inverted. Again, the same invert was given to somebody else. It is not a fraud. It is a technical error. Letter inverted is inverted. It may have two numbers. It is a mistake. We are all humans. We make mistakes. How can the chairman be responsible for it? Chairman responsible झाला तेका? म्हणजे जी मिनिस्ट्री आमी हेड करता तितून कोण तरी एकलो क्लार्क मिस्टेक करता, जेन्युइन मिस्टेक. इट इज नॉट इंटेन्शनल. म्हणजे तेका चेअरमॅन आनी मिनिस्टर रिस्पॉन्सिबल? हे पयले फावटी आयकता आमी. हो लोकायुक्ताक म्हाका दिसता एज वाडलेली तेजी. सरकारान चिंतचें पडटलें सारके लोकायुक्त अपॉयंट करता म्हणजे दे हॅव टू बी साऊंड. What reports they are giving to the government. I really don't understand these reports.
So defamation
I will definitely file a defamation suit on him. Let him reply. We have to file. We cannot keep quiet. He has not gone through this High Court order because they must have not shown the order, because she has not filed. Who has filed before Lokayukta is Rosie R.P. D'Souza, wife of Peter Paul D'Souza. But in High Court who went? Anthony R. D'Souza, her husband's brother. आणि सेम केस शेणला तो, आणि सेम केस ती मागीर लोकायुक्तान वयता आनी थिंगा खंय वचोन थिंगाच बसोन आसताली खंय ती. आय हॅव कम थ्रू टू नो दॅट शी वॉज कंटिन्युअसली सिटींग, दे वर सिटींग आउटसायड द ऑफिस ऑफ लोकायुक्ता टू मीट हिम कंटिन्युअसली. सो हेचेर म्हाका दिसता चीफ मिनिस्टरान सारकें पळोवचें पडटलें. आनी अपॉयंटमेंट्स ऑफ लोकायुक्ता जेन्ना जाता आमी तितून इनवॉल्व नाच, बट गव्हर्मेंट अपॉयंट करता ते सारके लोकायुक्त अपॉयंट करचे. हांव म्हणना की खंयचे जजान आमचेर जर तर कितें केस हे केला जाल्यार आमी रॉंग म्हणूंकूच शकना. बट हे असले रिपोर्ट तरी करचे न्हू विच आर टोटली मॅलिफायड. You look at the reports of Lokayukta. He is writing about roads, he is writing about some inwards and putting the blame on me. I really don't understand.
तुमचेर ब्लेम करपाक खंय पॉलिटिकल लॉबी आसा अशें तुमकां दिसता?
100% लोकायुक्ताचेर हेज कम अंडर प्रेशर. हांव चीफ मिनिस्टराक म्हाज्या रिपोर्टान म्हाज्या क्लॅरिफिकेशनान बरोवन दितालो की हेचेरूय तूं चवकशी कर म्हणून. ही हॅज टार्गेटींग, इंटेन्शनली इज टार्गेटींग द मिनिस्टर्स इन द गव्हर्मेंट. अदरवायज आय वुडंट हॅव स्पोकन टू द प्रेस. वी कॅनॉट स्पीक टू द प्रेस ऑन ज्युडिशियल मॅटर्स. हियर दिस ऑनरेबल लोकायुक्ता इज रिटायर्ड and the reports and the findings what he has done shows something else only. Complaint आणि कितें आहा आणि finding आणि कितें आहा.
So the Lokayukta has filed around 21 orders.
That I don't know.
All the orders are wrong.
See, that Honorable Chief Minister will see. his office will see, because the reports are all gone to Chief Minister. He has given recommendations. If you look at the order, the recommendations are to the Honorable Chief Minister.
Yes.
If you look at this order, he is recommending, since the Chief Minister is competent authority in respect of a minister, the report is also required to be sent to the Chief Minister along with the relevant materials on record, including the complaint petition. Recommendation करता तो सगळ्यांचेर केस घातल्या कोणाचेर, पंचायतीचेर, NGBDAचेर, तो चेअरमॅनाक भितर हाडटा तितून. चेअरमॅन म्हणजे आमी ऑथॉरिटी, वी ओनली टेक डिसिजन्स इन द ऑथॉरिटी मिटिंग्स. How can chairman be responsible for this? For some two inwards, one letter having two inwards, जे दोग जाणांक same number मेळ्ळो, chairman responsible? I really don't understand.
Sir, but the Lokayukta have passed an order based on documents, based on RTI copies, where, and there is another officer by name of Sandeep Rodriguez who has clearly stated that I did the road on the instructions of the local MLA.
See, I'll tell you, we recommend roads. Roads which are already there, we don't recommend new roads. New roads requires land acquisition. New roads requires NOCs from all the owners. Irrevocable on NOCs. So I'm again saying that whenever we recommend something, the road is already there. We cannot go into their road. They would have gone and won in High Court. Here is the order of High Court. That is what I am telling you. They went to High Court. Here it is clearly mentioned that High Court has clearly mentioned from where to where we were doing the roads. And High Court has said that it is on survey record. The road is on survey record. The road belongs to PWD. If we have gone into the complainant's property, then they are free to go to any court of law and seek justice. They didn't go because they know that we have not gone in their property.
So Lokayukta has also passed an order against ex-secretary of the Panchayat, says he has given a false affidavit
How
to
you
the,
can-
to the High Court.
No. See, I'll
And
tell
based
you.
on that false affidavit, the High Court passed a judgment.
See, I'll tell you something. Secretary gives affidavit on behalf of village panchayat that it is a village panchayat road. Based on road, whether it is there or not there. Now this road where we have come is a panchayat road. It's there. Tomorrow if secretary has to give affidavit, he will look at the road, click photograph, put circumstantial evidence from this point to this point and give it to the High Court with the affidavit. Same way he has done that. And High Court at that particular time has also told PWD to inspect whether the road is there. PWD has already put on record the survey plan showing the road. Now the road was existing before 1971. That is why survey plan shows the road very clearly. Now that is why High Court has disposed this petition. That is why he doesn't go back to High Court, Anthony D'Souza. He sends his brother's wife to Lokayukta. This is the matter. See, when we do development, we have to face it. Otherwise, you don't do development. You have to go to the various courts. When we are right, we are ready to face it. We just can't do anything wrong and then say that the High Court should have passed the order in my favor. Whatever the High Court passes is final. The findings of Lokayukta are totally wrong. He has daydreamed these findings. This is on his own what he has done. And under pressure from the complainant.
लोक आयुक्त रिपोर्ट बाबाचा अधिकार आहे का असं असेल?
No, he is already saying that Lokayukta findings are given to Chief Minister. He is saying, I am not. Inga borelle ha. Recommendation.
Are Lokayukta can only recommend here. Action has to be
Action government.
Sir, just last one question from me. You said the government has to check the mental condition of the person who is appointed as the Lokayukta.
Mental condition, not mental condition.
You said unsound mind.
No, it means what I am saying in simple, a judge retires and then he is appointed as Lokayukta. A High Court judge retires, he is appointed Lokayukta. First 5 years. Then again if he is given extension, he was given extension. Whether he was really fit to be, because a fit person cannot file such this thing. He is saying, हांव आतां मंत्री आहा, मंत्री म्हणून एकूय केस ना. तूं आदी क्लर्क आसलो इन सम अदर ऑफिस, तुजे उपरांत तूं एडिटर जालो एक न्यूज पेपराचो, एडिटर म्हणून एकूय केस ना. पूण कोण तरी तुजेर एक ऑर्डर काडटा दॅट ही इज अनफीट टू बी द एडिटर आनी रिजन दिता तो क्लर्काचे. तो क्लर्क आसलो पळय तेन्ना तेणें एक इनवर्ड चुकयलो म्हणून. दिस इज नॉट डन. हांवें हू इनवर्ड चुकयलो आनी जी ऑर्डर तो दिता रोडाची is clearly disposed by High Court. That means he has done this intentional, is what I am feeling. I am feeling that he has done it intentional. That is why I am expressing myself. I wouldn't have expressed. High Court an order Delhi, then I wouldn't have expressed because it is High Court. Lokayukta is giving finding to CM that MD of GSIDC should be penalized, should be transferred, should be suspended. Are they taking risk and doing roads? अटल सेतू ब्रिज तेंच्यांनी काम चालू केल्लें. संजीत रॉड्रिक्स इसरले सगळे जाण बरें काम केल्लें. हांव संजीत रॉड्रिक्साक प्रेस करिना. ही इज अ गुड ऑफिसर ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट. इफ गव्हर्मेंट वॉन्ट्स टू डू वन पर्टिक्युलर रोड विच इज एक्झिस्टिंग, तेचेरूय जो तर लोक वचून आडकोड हाडटा आनी तितून लोकायुक्ता फायंडींग दिता की एका ह्या ऑफिसराक सस्पेंड करचें म्हणून. कितें तें